welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is my weekend series that I try to do every 2 weeks because I don't get a chance to go out, during the week because I'm working almost 50 to 55 hours a week at work. So I try to save my little change so when I do go to Home Goods, I can get some fabulous items. So if you watched 2 weeks ago when I showed you the bee canisters that I found at Dollar General, well, I have been adding to my bee collection. So let's get into the video. And if you're new, by the way, my name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So 2 weeks ago, I've been trying to save these items so I can do just one video. So I came across this beautiful bee butter dish. Isn't it so cute? And it matches the honeycomb canisters that I found last video. And then it has the yellow at the bottom. And these were $7.99. So walking through, I was like, oh, they only have the butter dish. So I said, let me take my time and go back through the aisles and look what I believe this is a sugar bowl. It is the black and white with the yellow bee in the jar lid. And this was $4.99. Good price. So I'm going to use this as a sugar bowl on my table. And then lastly, that week when I went, I found a 3-piece little server dish. And you see the matching bee that goes with the butter dish. And this was $12.99. So this was a little higher than everything else that I found, and it will go perfect for my bee decor. I am just overwhelmed that I was able to find these. So with these three pieces, I paid $27.79. So not too bad. Okay, so next up, when I went out just this weekend, and I want to give a shout out to the ladies that participated in the He Has Risen collaboration. I really thank you so much, and looking forward to more participations in the future for my next collaboration that I believe will be in June, and I think that is the Hawaiian luau video. So make sure to go over and check out my community tab. And once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a fabulous comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That really helps my channel out. Alright, so let's move on to this Saturday's finds that I was able to obtain. I found this beautiful cake dish, or it could be a dessert dish, and this was $9.99, and it's a little pedestal, yellow, and then it has the bee theme again. So this would be fabulous for like a little miniature cake or some little strawberry shortcakes to put on top for the girls when they arrive. And then next, I was able to score the 6th set of napkins. And it is the yellow and white checker with the bee theme again. And these were $7.99. Now, they had the tablecloth as well, but I thought that would be too busy. Get it? Too busy. So I didn't get the tablecloth, and because I have such a large table, if you've been following me, I have 4 tables that I combined to equal 1 table, and I really need to get the measurements to go out to find a tablecloth that will fit my table. So I will be using this in probably just a plain white tablecloth when I come across one, or I may have to get like a king flat sheet and do that as a tablecloth, like a picnic style. And lastly, I didn't unwrap this one. I found the spoon rest, and this was so cute. They had like a ribbon on there and a little tag, and it's from Terramato's Cimarec. So I guess if you were going to give this as a gift, you know, you can sign the back, and that's cute that they gave you the ribbon. And the spoon rest was $4.99, and this will go cute on my stove. So I am hoping that you will be able to find these items. Like I said, it has taken me, let's see, 2 weeks ago I went April the 9th, which was yesterday, and then I went April the 1st. So about 8 days, and I guess they are sporadic, you know, putting out the bee thing. But I am actually done. I found all the little pieces that I think will give a pop to my bee and lemon table. That is something annual that I do for the arrival of my granddaughters, Truly and Ariana. We have a nice little brunch. You know, they'd be on the road for almost 5 hours driving to come. And I try to set up a nice little brunch with them. And for the past 2 years almost, I have done the bee and the theme, you know, the bee and the lemon theme for them. And I think it's just whimsical and cute. Now, real quick, I found this set at Tuesday morning about 2 years ago. And this is the baby blue with the yellow bee thing. And I use this every single day. Actually, there is butter and stuff in this. So I'm gonna be swapping it out with my new butter dish. This will always be by the stove. And then I'll just put these on the table. And this was a 3-piece set. It came with the sugar bowl. It's a little dirty because I had spilled coffee on it this morning. But hopefully you'll be able to still, I don't know if they still carry it because I haven't been over to Tuesday morning in a while. And I never use the creamer for some reason. I just pour it out the bottle. But very nice set. I've got, you know, this set, and now I've got the new 6-piece set of the bee thing. So once again, I appreciate you stopping over, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, you know I ain't buying it. I will see y'all in another video. Be on the lookout. I am trying to get some things recorded. I know I have not been on YouTube for a while, but you know, life takes some turns and twists, and you know, my back and my neck, like I always say, I've been saying that for like 2 years. I'm in a lot of pain some of the days, and when I get off of work, I just don't feel like filming. And I'm trying to get out of that and get back to the routine. So I'll be back on YouTube very shortly. So make sure y'all come on over and watch my videos. And don't forget to check out my community tab. I have a lot of exciting open collaborations that are coming up within the next 2 months. And if you would like to collaborate with me, always feel free to hit me up at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It at hatmob.com and on Facebook. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.